Ways to reduce uric acid naturally at home. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps to flush out excess uric acid from the body. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Apple cider vinegar. People find relief by incorporating apple cider vinegar into their diet. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a large glass of water and drink it once or twice a day may help reduce the levels of uric acid. Cherries. Cherries and cherry juice may help lower uric acid levels. Try incorporating fresh cherries or unsweetened cherry juice into your diet. Vitamin C. Foods rich in vitamin C, such as oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwi, can help lower uric acid levels. Low purine diet. Reduce intake of high purine foods such as red meat, organ meats, and seafood, as they can contribute to increased uric acid levels. High fiber foods. Increase consumption of whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. High fiber foods help to lower uric acid levels. Limit alcohol. Alcohol, especially beer, can increase uric acid levels. Limit or avoid alcohol consumption to help manage uric acid levels. Coffee. People who drink coffee are less likely to develop gout. Moderate coffee consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of uric acid. Lemon water. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a glass of warm water and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Lemon water can help alkalize the body and support the elimination of uric acid. Exercise regularly. Engage in regular physical activity to maintain a healthy weight and promote proper uric acid metabolism. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. While these natural remedies can be helpful, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to SF Healthcare, and share it with your friends and family.